How to open a cable tie. It's looking and hearing. You see this thing in the middle here? It's like a small ratchety thing. And as you pull the cable, the plastic strap through it, you'll hear it clicking. So to open it, all you have to do is go from the right side into that plastic thing, lift it open so you can pull it out. Let me try that again. Pull it, you hear it clicking. That clicking actually prevents it because it's something ratcheting in. To open it, you lift that little flap which clicks into the little corks and pull it out.